about it. So today we're going to be doing some millings over there in Cumming. And we're going to be taking it to the baldwin plant there. That quarry where we're doing last week. So y'all see on a little bit. So the very first jigs of the day are always the loudest. So I don't know why, but here we go. If I'm up, you're up. Going 5 over the limit. These four-wheelers can be patient. Goddamn truck. It's been behind my ass for like 5 miles. Over 5 miles already, man. We've been going the limit. Right after we pass the light, it's gonna look patient, mother. I gotta get the next light before you. And they do it on the curve where like you can't even see if there's oncoming traffic. The jigs, I'm not gonna be using that much no more when empty. Only if it's like a super downhill. Because I found out jake brakes cause damage to the engine and drive shaft. So what it basically does, looking forward, we try to pull out a motor. What it basically does is reverses, well not reverses, but when jake brake hits, it's like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's basically wanting to spin the dang drive shaft like backwards, like dang, that's what I heard. It's probably right up my ass. Look, it's differential wear, drive shaft wear, engine wear. So I'm gonna be using it for like downhills when I'm loaded, or when I'm loaded all the time. Well, when empty, not. Also, it's pretty dangerous because if you catch like a wet spot on the road, and it could slide. It actually happened to me one time. It was raining. I was using my jigs on third stage. I was going on a curve, like kind of like this right here, a sharp curve, and there was a dang school bus on oncoming traffic. I was hitting the jigs. I was turning like this. My wheel was like turning like this. I had my jigs on. All of a sudden, my dang truck wants to go into oncoming traffic. I almost lost control. That's because of the dang jigs. So no more jigs in the rain. Or no more jigs empty at all, man. What I like doing before the lane ends, like this four-wheeler is letting me in, but I'm still in the right lane. Blocking these dang four-wheelers in the right lane. So when they get in front of us, I always try to jam in front of the truck. I just go really slow in the right lane, pretend there's somebody in front of me. Look like the four-wheel behind me, I know wants to get in front of me. I'm blocking the way, man, because this motherfucker slow us down. Thank you, this four-wheeler behind me, letting me in. Oh, there's an accident, man, come on. Look at these four-wheelers, how do we have an accident in traffic? Learn how to drive, bro. They look like teenagers. Hey, my ass should learn how to drive too, right? Fucking 4 accidents on my record. Shit, not my fault. The only one I take blame for is that one where I crashed the car because I got too close to it. I didn't crash, like crash, big crash. It's just a little bump. You know, insurance like acting like, oh yeah, that's a big ass. Fuck. Gotta take everything so fucking serious. I'm all over Georgia. We're gonna be getting on Highway 20, using Highway 20 all the way to our destination. Passing the Buford, Sugar Hill, and then Cumming. So I'll see y'all there, but right now I'm just driving. Alright, so we're in Cumming now. We still got like 20 minutes to go to get to the job site. What I need to replace right now is this temperature gauge. This original one. This original water temp gauge. So ever since I got the truck, it hasn't been working, but it has this external one up here. And that one just quit working yesterday, so I don't even know what my temperature is, and I always keep looking at my temperature gauges, and I don't know what it is right now. So last night I ordered a temperature gauge that fits right here, the OEM one, but it's a digital one. I got it from Amazon for like $150. The original temperature gauge for Kenworth is like almost $350. Dang. So I just got the digital one that fits right there. So hopefully it works. If not, I'm gonna have to buy a brand new one there and wire it up straight to the dang coolant tank, because I don't know my dang water temperature. And there's like 4 other dump trucks that are behind me now, that were in front of me, but I passed the rest. Probably going to the same job. So the trucks we were working with last week at Baldwin, when the job canceled, the job got canceled, so we're probably going to the same job, doing milling. So right here they're doing hella construction too. I wonder what they're doing. They better fix this intersection right here. These people don't know how to yield to you, man. These people just straight up just cut you out. This intersection here sucks, man. I want to get all the way to like where Walmart is. It's a Forsyth County jail, man. I remember back then this didn't even exist. That's how big ass was. So last week, man, there's this guy that I knew, used to be my friend in elementary, middle school, got arrested just last week, man. So some messed up shit. I can't even say it because that's fucked up. It has to do with online shit. Yeah, that's messed up, man. Believe that shit, man. Same age as me. He's probably gonna spend the rest of his life in jail for that. Well, I don't know. They should spend their whole fucking life for doing what they do, but they don't. Just say you can't get near no dang schools no more. Fucked up. I also remember one time there was like a shooting here, right here at the courthouses. There's 2 courthouses now, right? The old one and the new one, or maybe that's something else now. You can't even see from here, but yeah, I think that used to be the old courthouse, and there was a shootout here once. Somewhere there's like a bullet hole on the statue. I don't know if they killed the guy or I forgot. It was a long time ago. My old high school, man, where I went for my first 2 years of high school. It's right up ahead, Forsyth Central High School. There's a cop right there. Hope he didn't see me with my camera. But green light. I forgot to turn on my signal. I always use my signal. So yeah, my first 2 years of high school, right down the road, high school, Forsyth Central High School. My first 2 years of high school, I was not automotive, so at first I wanted to be a mechanic. I've always kind of wanted to be a trucker, because ever since I was little, man, I heard a Jake break, I fell in love and started playing trucking games. And I started playing 18 Wheels of Steel. That time I didn't know what I wanted to do, so when I was in high school, like, yeah, I should be a mechanic. I kind of like this. But then, like, the second year of high school started getting so difficult, and we started doing like a lot of computer work I didn't get. So I fell. That's that. And I also used to be a marching band for my first 2 years of high school. Those were like the best times ever, man. The Fridays, during football games. It's pretty fun. talked to one of my friends from since middle school. I knew him. We were marching band together. He used to play the saxophone. I played the clarinet. If you want to check out his channel, he also started a channel. He's a mechanic himself. We were in automotive too, but that guy just he kept doing mechanic stuff. So now he's a professional mechanic. If y'all need a mechanic here in Cumming, check him out. This is his website right here. On his Facebook page. I think it's Silver's Automotive, right? His name is Jason. We're still good friends. Now he lives, yeah, he still lives in Cumming. Around this area right up ahead. So a few months ago, I think it was in like October, I hauled his pickup truck with a blown engine all the way to his mom's house in Lithia Springs. So right now he's doing an engine rebuild. He's doing videos about it, so check him out. This is his YouTube right here. Maybe one day I could learn mechanic with him. Like I told him, maybe I want to come with you and rebuild your engine, so I can learn how to do it myself too. So we had the job sign now. It's an arrest date show. I'm doing some patches on the roads. Even though this neighborhood is brand new, man, I can see all the grass is like still in. You know, when they lay down the sod, it's like in squares. You can kind of see the lines still. It's like at least 6 months old. Brand new sidewalk, brand new asphalt, and they're already repairing it. It's so foggy over here though, look, man. Can't see anything. So yeah, like, we're just sitting here, man. They haven't even started, so yeah, it's good. We're on the clock already. Oh no, not yet. It starts at 8 o'clock. We're here. I was getting loaded up. I'll probably have a little clip of the mailing process because my GoPro battery died like a few minutes in, so I don't know. So yeah, that's what I like about doing these jobs with Baldwin. Sometimes we sit for hours doing nothing. And like right now, I only have maybe like 25% of the load, and the machine, I think it broke down. I think they're trying to fix something. I don't know. I don't know what they're doing, but yeah, we're just sitting here now. I've been here for like 10 minutes just sitting. Hopefully it doesn't work for another like 5 hours. So yeah, they're just doing patching right now. They're doing milling like piece by piece, and then we're probably gonna bring some asphalt back or come back empty. Like that other truck back there, it was the first one in line. He already came back empty, so I might come back loaded because I don't know how many more little streets are gonna mill like that. I don't know, we'll see. Dang, I didn't even know it was still recording. That's because I was using my phone, using it as like a screen. So when I was doing milling and it cut off, it said disconnected from device. Sometimes that means the dang battery ran out, but it didn't. So it's been recording for a whole hour already. So yeah, let's go dump it at the plant now. And I got a message just in case I get cut off today in this job. We have another job, the same job we were doing last week. We were hauling that GAB, $5.31 a ton. So we get cut off once we get to the plant. I don't know, we might, because that's just all we're not doing, like patches. We're not doing like the whole road. And there's already trucks lined up with asphalt over there, and they tell me that's it. I can go to this job, and it's like right next door, the quarry. So I don't have to waste my time. And that pays per load. And this is paid per hour, so I'm gonna take my time on my way there. said they're gonna load me up with a different material. So I'm just gonna go dump it and reload with whatever other material they're gonna load me. So they're patching it up and it looks like crap. So what I'm guessing is they're gonna put one last layer over this, cause I wouldn't want no fucking, if I bought a brand new house like this, man, like brand new neighborhood, I wouldn't want it to look like this, you know, all patchy. But it's up to whoever owns this land, you know, like they want to pay it. I don't know what it is. My guess is they're putting another layer. Alright, so I'm here at the plant. I dumped it out, and one of the workers here are helping a trucker over here on this side. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm over there. This bed is like, has hard asphalt on there. That truck over there, the dang asphalt hardening in this bed. Now the worker has to help take it out. So a lot of trucks got sent back with asphalt from different jobs.
Alright, bring us your ticket from your load you threw away.
I was coming off the scale right there, and I hear this little, like, I feel like I hit something. Like, man, I hope I did not bend my bumper, man, because, man, that's an expensive bumper. The tire saved it, man. You see the mark right here? Hit that yellow barrier over there. And then once in a while, there's a driver that says, yo, you have a mark on your tire like this. And I tell them, that's fine, man. DOT pulled me over one time. I passed inspection, man. I even saw the DOT guy. He was looking right at the tire, like inspection. They didn't say nothing about it, so that has been over a year since that happened. When I got that slit right there. It happened last year, December, 2023 December. Ever since then, I've been have that same tire, and it hasn't popped, hasn't been leaking. It's still fine, man. I can't be spending money on tires like that. 400 bucks each, brand new. Right now I already have all brand new on this side. I need to buy brand new on the other side. I'm gonna have to do it sometime. Not money, because right now, guys, I'm still broke. Alright, so the material hauling now is called 9.5 SP1. That's the code. That's a material. The last order was 12.5. I don't know what the difference is. I don't know enough about asphalt. I just haul it. So yeah, let's head out. They are doing what I thought they were gonna do. Put another layer above this shitty asphalt. Why'd you even have to mill it? Like, it was just tiny cracks. It's not gonna do the other room. When it comes to getting cat truckers, you don't have to run out of the way. They're doing another layer above this, so it's gonna take a while. We're probably gonna be back here tomorrow. I don't know. The tag is like glue, but for asphalt, so that thing is hot. So they have like a propane heater that heats up all the tar inside the tanker, and it's all sticky, man. When it cools down and you walk on it, it's all sticky, and it sticks onto your tires, and it goes everywhere. With the hot asphalt, it melts it back down, and that's how it glues it to the old asphalt. That thing smells kind of good, but also bad for your health. Move now, because the tack truck is going. Alright, guys, so we just got signed out. We did just one load of milling and 2 loads of asphalt. One of them we took back to the plant, though. I just finished dumping this last load. That's where the money is at, and I just sit and you don't waste a lot of diesel, man. Yesterday when I got home, I filled it all the way up. I only wasted maybe like I can't do the math right now in my head that quick. But it wasn't that much. Probably like only $100 worth of diesel. I still got a long way home. I got like an hour 30 to 2 hours right now because of the traffic. So they gave me like 30 minutes extra. We got signed out at 4. It's only 3:30, so yeah, that makes up for the traffic. So let's head home now and edit this video and relax. And I think we might come back here tomorrow. But I'll see you on the next one. This is a gauge. So I'll put some Teflon on the threads, and the threads are perfect. There we go. Almost done.